Want an easy way to keep track of your temperature and humidity? The Govee H5075 Thermometer gives you accurate readings, connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and lets you monitor everything right from the app. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Govee H5075 Thermometer, AAA batteries, and user manual. Product overview. How to pair. To use the thermometer, insert the batteries to power it on, then download the Govee Home app and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the app, pair the thermometer by following the on-screen instructions, and place it in the desired location away from direct heat or sunlight. You can then monitor real-time temperature and humidity readings, as well as view historical data directly from the app. Smart features? Measures temperature and humidity with high accuracy, providing reliable real-time readings. It helps you maintain the ideal indoor environment for comfort and storage. Connect the thermometer to the Govee Home app via Bluetooth to view real-time readings on your smartphone. You can also access historical data and manage settings with ease. Automatically records temperature and humidity trends over time for easy tracking. You can review, analyze, and export the data whenever needed. The clear LCD screen shows temperature and humidity readings at a glance. Its large, easy-to-read display makes monitoring quick and convenient from a distance. Set custom temperature and humidity limits in the Govee Home app. You'll receive instant notifications when readings go above or below your selected range. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Govee H5075 thermometer. See you at the next one.